Google page review po ng Bohol. So meron po kaming 285 customer interactions. And then 3.8 ratings po and 35 reviews. Sa performance naman po for the month of March to August, so meron po kaming 285 business profile interactions, and then meron po kaming 3,736 business profile po. People viewed our business profile, and 604 naman po na nagsa-search ng profile namin. So, this week po nadagdagan ng 5 na nag-reviews or nag-rate sa amin. So, yan po sila. So, yan lang po. Thank you.